Shalom, Mishpaka and Kareem, pamilya at mga kaibigan. Ngayon po ay bibilangin natin ang Omer kasama ang aking sister na si Aiza from the Philippines. Okay, bago yon, mananalangin muna tayo in Hebrew and in Tagalog. Go ahead, sis.
Amen. Baruch ata Adonai, Eloheinu melech olam, asher ked eshanu, b'mitzvotav, b'tzivanu al, seferat ha'omer.
Amen.
Blessed are you, Lord our God, King of the universe, who has sanctified us with his commandments, and commanded us concerning the counting of the Omer. Purihin ka, Yahweh aming Diyos, hari ng mga kalawakan, na binabanal kami ng kanyang kautusan, ang inuutusan kami na bilangin ang Omer.
Amen. Thank you, sis. So, ngayon, flip ko ang aking camera at buksan natin ang cup. So today is the 11th day of this. Lagi talaga siya nahuhulog. The 11th day of the second week of counting the Omer. At ang babasahin ni Sis Aiza ay magmumula sa Isaiah chapter 29 verse 10 to 14. Go ahead,
Amen.
sis. In English, sige, basahin mo ang Isaiah 29.
Isaiah chapter 29, verse 10 to 14. For the Lord has poured out upon you the spirit of deep sleep, and has closed your eyes, the prophets and your rulers, the seers has he covered. Verse 11, and the vision of all is become unto you as the words of a book that is sealed, which man delivered to one who is learned, saying, read this, I pray you. And he says, I cannot, for it is sealed. Verse 12, and the book is delivered to him who is not learned, saying, read this, I pray you, and said, I am not learned. And verse 13, wherefore the Lord said, for as much as these people draw near me with their mouth and with their lips do honor me, but have removed their heart far from me, and their fear toward me is taught by the precept of men. Verse 14, therefore, behold, I will proceed to do a marvelous work among these people, even a marvelous work and a wonder. For this wisdom of their wise men shall perish, and the understanding of their prudent men shall be few.
Amen. Thank you. Thank you, Sis Aiza,
Amen.
for reading the Omer with me.